How to lower size in OBS tutorial. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first go ahead and open OBS, and you can go to settings by clicking on file here and clicking on settings, or you can also directly click on settings over here. Once you click on settings, click on output. So you'll see recording quality here, and you'll see different options. Make sure that it is selected on high quality, medium file size, and not large file size. Next, click on video, and you'll see the different resolutions here. So you can decrease your resolution to decrease your size. You'll also see FPS values. You can also decrease this if you want to lower the size in OBS. Once you're done making the changes, make sure to click on apply at the bottom and then click on OK. So this is how to lower size in OBS tutorial. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.